Welcome to the Gyan Niketan Girls School. Myself Tanvi Srivastava, and today we will see the chapter Scratch. Scratch is a programming language. We use this software according to our requirement. That's why it is also called the application software. It is used for designing the animation. It enhances the computing skills of the students. It is very easy to understand and learn. Predefined blocks are snapped together to create the script. Scratch provides objects to which we can give command to perform different actions. These objects are called the sprite. Now we will see the features of Scratch. Scratch is available free of cost. When we download this software, we don't have to pay for anything. It increases students' interest in programming by providing the graphical environment. There are many graphical tools for the background for the sprite that increase the user's interest, students' interest. It uses block to create the script instead of writing the code. It allows playful experimenting with program segments. When we execute the block one by one with the immediate effect, it provides the output and it provides the playful environment. Students enjoy this window. Now we will see the components of Scratch. Sprite. First object we see on the screen, that is the sprite. Sprites are the objects that perform various actions in Scratch project. Stage. It is the main working area to draw pictures or perform actions. It is the place where sprites move and interact with each other. Sprite list. It displays the thumbnail of all the sprites that we have selected. Block palette. Block palettes contain various predefined blocks that are used to perform specific tasks. Script area. The collection of step-wise instructions given to a sprite is known as script. Script area is the place where we pick and drop the block to create the script. Now we will see the Scratch window. When you start the Scratch, this window appears on the screen. The topmost bar of any window is called the title bar. Below that you will get the menu bar. It contains the button, flag button and the red button. Flag button is used to execute the program and red button is used to stop the program. In the project name you can enter any name. The screen, the white area is called the stage. By default the cat you can see on the screen, that is called the sprite. In the sprite list window you can see the new sprite option given there. It provides you a library of different sprites. Clicking on that you can select any another sprite. In the left side of window you can see the option for backdrop. Backdrop is the background of the stage. By default you can see the stage is white color, but there are many pictures. There is a huge library for the background of the stage, that is called the backdrop. Now come in the middle section. On the top you can see the scripts. It provide you different blocks. You can see different colors block is provided there. When you select any one of them, it show you different blocks. All the options having the different color block and they having their own function. These blocks are used to create the script. In the right side, the script area is showing when you drag the block in the right side and it uh, it these are snapped together on the top of each other. That is called the script. This is the scratch window.